This will be probably the hot topic, genuinely, of the conversation. So, people in the gaming community, I would just say in general, when I'm about to say that the scary word a lot of people don't like is cryptocurrency. There has been a lot of scams, obviously, a lot of hurt, burn behind cryptocurrency. Dr. Disrespect coming out with Midnight Society and incorporating NFTs and crypto like Ethereum in there. A lot of people are very much specular in this space. Now, crypto is either a superhero for most people or a villain. There's really no in between. But can you really quick, before we continue going on the path of cryptocurrency, explain what is cryptocurrency? Is it just one form of money? Is it physical, like cash, or is it digital? Can it be owned and managed by multiples, or is it only in your control? Can you kind of like give people a rundown exactly what it is briefly here?
Yeah, no problem. And I can talk about this because I've been in this space since 2017. I worked for a blockchain company last year, a crypto company last year, and I was also featured in CoinMarketCap. I was awarded for, I think, #1 for articles with the highest views and top 10 for projects with engagement growth. So I've been featured panelist with CoinMarketCap on their Welcome to the Metaverse Summit. I even spoke once before Michael Saylor, if you know who he is. He's the MicroStrategy CEO and founder who's a huge Bitcoiner. So I had the opportunity to speak before him during one of the CoinMarketCap summits, which is really exciting. But first, I want to just say cryptocurrency is many things. And I don't really even like the word cryptocurrency. I think it's too nuanced. I don't think it's specific enough. In general, though, a cryptocurrency is a digital currency, which is supposed to be a peer-to-peer method for transacting or exchanging value. That's what a cryptocurrency is. Though, based on the research that I've done, I separate a few cryptocurrencies away from the pack. In fact, I would say that probably like 95% of all cryptocurrencies are not proven. I don't want to say they're not legitimate because they may be, but they're extremely high risk. And I especially want to separate Bitcoin out of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is not cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency, but it's established itself as a dominant force, which will not go away, which is here to stay. And it's being used and adopted more and more every day. In fact, the Bitcoin hash rate, which is essentially the number of computers that are mining Bitcoin, continues to go up, which just is proof that its adoption is rising. Even nation states have adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. So I separate Bitcoin out from the herd. I also separate Ethereum out from the herd because I work on the Ethereum protocol. I run 2 proof-of-stake Ethereum validator nodes, and Ethereum is a legitimate project. So when it comes to crypto, I think there are a couple things that you need to check off the box to actually say that it's legitimate. One is, does it have a decentralized network? And what I mean by that is there any single point of failure for the network? A central network would be like a bank, right? Or like a company, right? So you have a hierarchy where you have a CEO, and then you have the C-level people below him, and then you have the executives, and then you have the middle management, and then you have everyone underneath that. So you have this really sort of hierarchical structure. You have central points of failure. You have to trust those systems. Bitcoin is trustless because it runs every 10 minutes. A new block in the Bitcoin chain is created because there are millions of miners and nodes around the world that support the network. So, yeah, I know that's sort of a long-winded answer, but most cryptocurrencies are not proven. But crypto is here to stay, and it's going to continue to get bigger And I believe that there are going to be more and more cases coming into play over the next year and the next decade, which is going to further legitimize the industry as a whole.
What's going on, guys? If you guys enjoyed the content, head over to our Patreon, where you can unlock the full conversation and have exclusive access to every single podcast that we recorded live for only $5 a month. On top of that, get yourself some nice discounts for Cha-Ching Apparel, which is our merch shop. On top of that, you guys get an exclusive Patreon member only section unlocked in our Discord. With your guys' support, you help us continue being able to redefine value for human impact and get content like this in front of individuals who need it the most. As well, you help us be able to encourage every single person to work on their physical health, mental health, relational health, spiritual health, and financial health. I appreciate the support, guys. I'll catch you on my next one.